How to stop in-app purchases on iPhone. To stop in-app purchase on iPhone, you first need to go to Settings. You are now in your Settings page. Here, scroll down and tap on the Screen Time option. Then, scroll down to the Content and Privacy Restrictions option. Now, from here select the iTunes and App Store Purchase option. After that, you need to tap on In-App Purchase. Then, select the option Don't Allow from the menu. Now, your in-app purchase feature has been stopped. If you need to enable this feature afterwards, you can just follow the same procedure and enable this feature. But till then, your in-app purchase feature will be on hold. So by following these simple steps you can easily stop in-app purchase on iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.